Hello, good evening, friend and student. It is 11th of August and Independence Day is knocking at the door. It is really supposed to be the glorious moment you can say for almost all the citizens of India. Because of the region on this particular date in 1947, India got independence. So first of all, let us actually have Independence Day, long live like that. But I'm just likely to just make some sort of thing particularly that is really supposed to be seen in day-to-day life. Now question is there, who is India? Who is Delhi? Is it confined to certain person? Or is it you consider the expanded to the very population that is thought to be 1 crore 4500 like that you can see. I simply want to say it about that Delhi is the capital of India. I mean to say it about that whosoever person belong to this country. This Delhi is generally supposed to belonging to that country. It's not so. You cannot say it about that Delhi is separated. But sometimes behavior of the people make me really supposed to be hurt. Hurt in the sense. If you do not do any sort of thing, why do you actually interfere in the very affair of the very person who is doing the work particularly for the sake of the welfare of the nation as a whole you can see here. Right now, I have written three of the things you can see here. First is unnecessary intervention. Suppose you are chatting politics, suppose you are chatting something particular in the park and somebody is actually just busy doing sanitation, maybe because of the region, this particular area is really supposed to be very much dirty. And if you just make a sort of intervention out of the very certain, you can say, some excuses like that, this is how you can say it about the making the very area to be really supposed to be dirty. In my last actually motivation, I simply told you one thing. In two ways we make our country to be dirty. One way, you are simply just throwing the debris on the road, actually killing the very sanctity of the very culture that is actually of our nation, you can say. And on the other hand, you are simply making the mind of the very person to be dirty by actually giving the wrong information about the history, about the situation, about this and that. Don't you think it about that? You simply want to make the very people to be divided so that you can rule and rule and rule. And this is nothing but black Macaulay on the part of, you can say it about that, our nation. Macaulay simply divided our country in four ways. Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai. But what about our Macaulay? It has actually divided India in so many groups you can see here. It can never be cemented. Now the thing you can say it over that, you are cementing, you are erecting some sort of bridges on the rivers and after that it is falling down. Nobody actually utters except a few people. I do not say. What is the reason behind you can say? There is, you can say it over that, you can say it about the word of same feather flock together. Or you can say chor mosara bhai like that you can see. Now the question here is that, who are involved there? You are talking about bulldozer culture. I simply just invite your attention toward the thing. Maybe the khadis are there, maybe the khakis are there, maybe any of the officers are there, white collar. Certainly catch hold of the person and make the bulldozer really supposed to attack to the very home of that person. This is how you can make the very corruption to be uprooted from the root. Otherwise, chatting and you can say to the counter allegation, and this is not actually going to any destination. Maybe one bridge fall down, two bridge fall down, three bridge fall down. It is 25 when yesterday at Kathiawar it was still falling down. What is it here? Is it got malaria? Is it got dengue? Is it got some other thing? No. It has got one disease. This is the disease of corruption. And corruption starts from the very top. We can say it about that. A person who is actually just breaking something and after that is taking the thing for the sake of food. You tell that person thief. You beat that person. What about the white collar Joe, a thief you can see here. They are making crore and crore ruby is supposed to be just devoured you can see here on the paper. But people in general doesn't know. Is it not so? Or maybe they know, but they simply think, oh no problem here. Is it not so? It is their outlook. No, though they do not think of their responsibility. They do not think of the very situation that is to be thought like that. Just in general I tell the place where you belong, or you can say in Hindi there is a saying, Jahan dhad wahan ghar. Presently, I hail from Delhi. Is it not so? You cannot see it about that. I have actually come here and occupied the very place. No, I have got the Aadhaar card of the very area. So it is my responsibility to, at least, just the very slogan that you have given. Is it not, sir? Swachh Bharat Abhiyan on the part of PM Modi. I am simply just actually making this particular thing to be really supposed to be just pushed ahead and ahead. If I do any this type of thing, just making it to be collected there in camera, making it to be really supposed to be taken in camera because of the region camera doesn't tell lie. I don't think that I am doing wrong. The person must be actually just actually associated with the very person. getting the salary. What about the region? When you move to the very streets of Uttamnagar, you simply find every street is actually piles of debris, you can say, piles of dirt, piles of this and that, like that. I simply appeal to the people. You don't do any sort of thing. At least you make the photograph of the thing, or you can say it over that video of the thing, or you make it to be uploaded, so that the concerned department will know it here and make the very area to be sanitated. And I started the mission from the park, and from the park I have come to the outside of this park, that is Totti Nagar. And I think just 2 days ago, I took the video, or just made the video reel, you can see there of West Uttam Nagar West, and there was the debris to be, just you can say about that sprite like that, and there it was written, don't litter the area. Kirpya ganda mat kiriye. What does it mean? Is it not the mentality of the people? Where it is written, don't urinate here, and people urinate there. Where it is written, don't actually cross that here, people cross this like that. It is not here. So what about the mentality? It is 75 years of independence. How long more would you like to take? Is it not so? Just this morning, I was interviewing one of the just ex-army like that. All of a sudden, I had got a cup of tea. This was really supposed to be a cup particularly made of paper. I simply just folded it and put it just by the side of me. One of the men actually just called me, and after that he started telling it out that you make the park to be dirty. My dear friend, for the last 1 year, every day I clean nearly 1 hour. I don't do the very thing that it is the dirty in your mind. It's not here. I took the thing, put in the very dustbin. I simply want to say to you that if you don't do any sort of thing, at least you don't interfere the affair that is thought to be for the welfare of the very thing. And it is the right of almost all the Indians to know how much contract is there, how much tender is there, what about the amount sanctioned, what about the amount spent, and if there is any sort of just consider what they're tapped, certainly catch hold of the very hand of the person. This is what I'm talking about, the park. Park has got the future, not the past of 15 years. 15 years is not a small period. If in 15 years work would have been done, certainly this would have been looking very nice thing. And besides, from here I tell it here, certainly certain rules and regulations is to be made. It should be actually closed in upon at time. It should be actually just prevented from the very people from, we can say about that, who are unwanted element. It is not the center of the very thing where you can just eat the very thing and after that you throw the thing. I mean to say that public place to be made dirty is a punishable crime. And this is the thing to be really supposed to written, not only written, it is to be just, you can say about that, implemented too. And it should be given to the very administration, not to the very people who simply come and after that moves and actually showing some sort of dictatorship like that. And I simply tell it about that. This park is not the park of the father of any person. This park is the park of 145 crore people living in India. It's not there. This type of mentality should be there. And don't actually carry on the very message, particularly that happened to 4,000 years ago. And still you are carrying that much, you think you are actually taking the advantage of this much thing. It's not here. And this is intervention unnecessary on the part of the person who doesn't get any concern. Only self-vested interest, so that you can say it about that. People should be just disturbed and he or she should actually stop this cleaning business. Care it, you can say. Second thing is it jealousy factor? Of course, jealousy factor. Suppose a person is there, he's not sure. That person particularly, you can say, doesn't do any sort of thing. Nobody takes his name. Earlier he was actually just I had read of one of the poems that was Thoti Frog and Nightingale. Nightingale was very famous for a frog doesn't want to just make it to be just like that, you can see here. This is how you can say it out, that a lot of obstacles to be just erected just before Nightingale, and ultimately in the long run Nightingale died. And frog has got the same position as it was there in the beginning. Just you can say it out that as a renowned singer, you can see here. Similarly, the same thing is there. With the passage of time, we just make the very person, the children who are really supposed to be grown up. If they are involved, certainly it is India of them, and they will be just making the India in a nice way. So, my dear friend, if you just intervene, if you simply just collide, if you simply just make a sort of counter attack, maybe with the tongue or maybe with the limbs, this is nothing but a kind of jealousy factor. This is this thing tells it out that mentally you are sick. I just know. Maybe myself is there, maybe yourself is there. It is human tendency. But you cannot deter me. I remember one of the period. अब मैं शुद्ध शाकाहारी हिंदी में बोलता हूँ. मैंने 50 पौधे लगवाए, पैसे भी खर्च हुए, बच्चों की मेहनत भी गई, बांस से इसको घेर दिया. छुट्टी में घर आया, घर जाकर जब लौट के गया तो एक लेडी वहाँ पे बोलती है, सर हमने पौधे को खिलवा दिया. हमने किसी खिलवा दिया? तो बकरी से. हमने क्यों खिलवा दिया? इसलिए खिलवा दिया कि आपका पौधा होता तो आपका नाम होता। अरे भाई ये तो बेवकूफ़ी है। अरे मैं तो कहा नहीं, मैं तो कह नहीं रहा हूँ कि मैंने पौधा खुद लगाया, मैं तो दूसरों से लगवाता हूँ। इसका मतलब है कि कहीं ना कहीं आप मानसिक रूप से बीमार हो। अगर हमारी मेजोरिटी इस तरह से अगर सोचेगी तो कहाँ हमारा देश रहेगा। आज ब्रिज गिर रहा है, कल देश गिर जाएगा, है ना। देश गिरेगा तो ना वो ना खाकी रहेगा, ना खादी रहेगा, ना हम रहेंगे। अभी भी समय है मेरे बंधु, जरूर सुन लो और डरते किस लिए हो। आवाज़ जरूर उठाओ, आवाज़ उठाओ, 1 से 2, 2 से 3, 3 से 4। मैं बोलता हूँ कभी कभी उत्तम नगर इस गंदा नगर, डोंट टेक इट अदरवाइज। क्योंकि आप पूरे उत्तम नगर गलियों में घूम के देखो, कहीं न कहीं किसी न किसी कोने में वो बदबू दिखाई देगा, मक्खियों का भन भन करता हुआ दिखाई, कुत्ता दिखाई देगा वहाँ पे, गाय भी उसको खाते हुए दिखाई देगा। और उसको हमने कई वीडियोज़ में उसको अपलोड करके भी हमने दिखाया है ना। और मैंने पहले भी बताया, कैमरा झूठ नहीं बोलता। हमारा मकसद नेक है, उसके पीछे कुछ भी नहीं है ना। पेशे से मास्टर हूँ, बच्चों को पढ़ाता हूँ, पढ़ाने का पैसा नहीं लेता हूँ। पार्क में सफाई करता हूँ, सफाई करने के का लगभग 1 घंटे में देता हूँ। उसके अलावा जो भी काम करता हूँ ये हमारा व्यक्तिगत कुछ नहीं। हाँ, अब लोगों को लगता है क्यों करता है, क्यों करता है। अभी आप अपने दिल से पूछो, आप क्यों नहीं करते हो। आप पूछते हो क्यों करते हो, मैं पूछता हूँ आप क्यों नहीं करते हो। ये आपका भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी। आप पार्क में आते तो केवल फालतू बात करने के लिए तो नहीं आते, पार्क में केवल घूमने के लिए तो नहीं आते हो, पार्क में कुत्ता लेके गंदा करने के लिए तो नहीं आते हो, पार्क में दारू पीने के लिए तो नहीं आते हो, है ना। तो अब एक सवाल उठता है कि क्या ऐसे हिंदुस्तान का सपना हमने देखा था क्या। नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं, है ना। अब यहाँ पे सवाल है जेलसी फैक्टर। आई टेल यू, डोंट बी सो मच जेलस। अगर जेलसी बनना है तो जो उसको लेके बनो, जिसको JEALOUS बोलते हैं, है ना, उससे बनो ना भाई। आप ही आगे हो, और कौन बोलता है आपको, मना किया किसी ने नहीं। पार्क में आप जाके देखो, नर्क जैसी स्थिति हो गई है, पानी जहाँ तहाँ जम गया है ना। और इसके बाद ऐसा भी नहीं कि पैसे नहीं आते होंगे, बढ़ाई भराई ठीक से क्यों नहीं हुआ। आप चाहो तो कि इंक्वायरी भी उसमें सेटअप कर सकते हो, है ना। हो सकता है, मैं इसलिए ये नहीं कह सकता हूँ कि एकदम मैंने सब गलत है। अगर कुछ भी मान के चलो कुछ भी नहीं निकला तो मान के चलेगा सब कुछ ठीक ठाक है। कहीं ना कहीं जितना मिलना चाहिए उतना नहीं, अगर निकल गया तो कंसर्न लोगों को तुम पकड़ो, है ना, आप पकड़ो उसको, है ना। चलिए मैं फिर से इंग्लिश में आता हूँ, एक मिनट से। अब यहाँ पे हो जाता है इंफीरियरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स। अब यहाँ कोई सवाल दो बातें होती है। टू मच सुपीरियरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स इज ए क्रॉनिक डिजीज ऑफ इंफीरियरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स। कभी हम इतने ज्यादा अपने आप को सुपीरियर समझते हैं, दूसरे लोगों को समझते ही नहीं है। नतीजा क्या होता था, आप इंफीरियर हो जाते हो, उससे कोई बात नहीं करता। ये डोंट से। नाउ द क्वेश्चन हियर इज दैट डोंट मेक द complexity to be really supposed to put in the mind of yours so that you can just make the very situation to be really supposed to somebody in hackneyed way. Somebody can say it about that is thought to be really supposed to smelling. You can say, my dear friend, whatsoever life you actually got, this doesn't mean that eat and drink and after that you just make merry and later you can say it about that, put the thing in some dust. Put the thing, you can say it about that in toilet like that. Life is beyond that. Beyond that, no question, enjoy your life. But this doesn't mean that you should destroy the very source of the life. Are you not sure? So, मैंने पहले भी कहा था हमारे जीवन का फंडा है। क्या फंडा है? सबसे पहली बात, मैं इसको भी मानता हूँ, जो भरा नहीं है भावों से बहती जिसमें रसधार नहीं, वह हृदय नहीं है पत्थर है जिसमें स्वदेश का प्यार नहीं, है ना। दूसरा लाइन है, कार न बनो वीर बनो देश के लालो, इस मुर्दे पड़ी जात को तुम फिर से संभालो। जात, क्या जात? मुर्दे पड़ी जात, वैसे लोग जो जाहिल हो गए हैं और मुफ्त का खाते खाते भाई में जो भिखारी वाली स्थिति हो गई है, स्वाभिमान को बेच डाले, है ना। तो भाई कम से कम ऐसा, मैं फिर से बोलता हूँ, मैं वैसे हिंदुस्तान का सपना देखता हूँ जहाँ हर हाथ को काम हो, है ना, हर हाथ को काम हो, और कैन से दैट चेहरे पे मुस्कान हो, पॉकेट में दाम हो, और सामान खरीद के खाता हो, उसका स्वाभिमान हो, है ना। अगर मैं गलत हूँ तो उसे प्रूव कर दो, है ना, चाहो तो मुझे फांसी पे लटका दो। इट नॉट सर दिस मच। थैंक यू वेरी मच।